I'm in search of the most amazing thing, y'all! By TOM SNYDER Productions. All right, here it goes. Here it comes. Come on, y'all. Take a look inside with me. This is by Spinnaker. We make learning fun. Because that's what they do, I guess. Hold on. Uh-huh. Spinnaker. Watch this. The Adventures of Smoke Bailey. James Morrow, a book. How convenient. Interesting, huh? Okay. Oops. Sorry about that. I'll go get it then. There, just to show you what it says. For Commodore 64. This was complete in box for Commodore 64. Yeah, hold on just so you see it this way instead. Come on. As if it never, Good old diskettes for the vintage computer era. That's what they did back in those days. Whoops. Came off again. Sorry about that. Spinnaker. We make learning fun. This game does look fun. That's why they make learning fun, I guess. Look at this now. My name is Tim Johnson. Watch. I'm going to just put this pile of stuff over here so you can see it. My name is Tim Johnson, and you know what I probably did, and good day.